Hello and welcome to this video today about working out division using coin facts. Okay, this is new to us guys, so we're going to have a quick look. We're only going to be looking at 3-digit divided by 1 digits. Okay, and this is what we're going to be doing today. So here's the yellow. I can use 2 coin facts to find a division fact with a remainder. Okay, cool. And here is, most importantly, our remember twos. Okay, so you have to remember to do this, and if you do this all correctly, you should get the right answer. So our first remember two is write out your coin card. Okay, write out your coin card. Okay, then the next one is add coin pieces till you found your target number. Okay, then you've got to find the total number of lots used, and then when you've got close enough to the total number, find the remainder. Okay, now I've read the remember twos, let's have a go at an example. Let's do 135 divided by 6. Okay. Right, first step we have to remember is to write out our coin card. So let's do that nice and quickly. Okay, remember the coin facts we always use is 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 and 50, and that would be 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 6 times 5 is 30, 10 times 6 is 60, and then I'm using the 2 times 6 to help me work out 2 times 20. Also smile method would be good, so 2 times 6 is 12, times it by 10, 120, 6 times 5 is 30. Don't forget to times that by 10 and add another 0. Okay, so I've got my coin facts now. Now I can move on to the next step, which is to start adding the pieces to see if I can find the total number. So I know that 300 is too big, so I'm not going to use that, but I am going to use the 120, and so I'm going to write that down, 120, and then 1 times 6 is too small, 5 times 30 is too big, so that means I'm going to now use the 12, and I'm going to add that on, making sure I line up my place value if I'm adding like this. Awesome. Now that is very close to my total number. If I added another 6 onto that, I would go over it, so that must be close to my answer. So I know my answer must be 20 and 2, so my answer must be 22, and now I need to find the remainder. I can look at that 135, take away 132 would give me a remainder of 3. Okay guys. Okay, let's start by looking at a second example now. So let's look at a second example, and let's do 257 divided by 5. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw out my coin facts. Here we go. Don't forget to write the times 5. I'm going to do 1. All your key coin facts, don't forget to do them. Okay, and now I'm going to write them out. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 10 is 50. And then using these ones, 5 times 2 is 10, times another 10, bit of smile method there. 5 times 5 is 25, times it by another 10, 250. Okay, so now I've got my coin facts, so now I need to move on to the next step. Add coin pieces till you have found your target number. Okay. I'm going to straight away go for the biggest one because I'm looking at the number, so I'm going to be adding this. Now what shall I add this to? Well, I know that if I did the 10, I know that would equal 60, which would be too big. I know that would be 275, which would be too big. I know that would be 300, and I know that would be 350. So there's only one more I can really go for. So I'm going to do 250 plus 5. Run out of space, don't worry about that, equals 255. Now I know I can't go any bigger than that, so I know I've got a remainder. But let's quickly work out the number, the lots of, so I've got a 50 and a 1, so my answer must be 51. And now let's think a bit more about this remainder, okay? Okay, what have I got to remain? So if I do 255, take away 2, 5, 7. will equal 2, so my remainder is 2. So it's 51 remainder 2. Now I hope this video helps you. Remember, you can stop it, rewind it, slow it down, break it up into its remember 2 steps to make it clearer for yourself. Okay, good luck guys.